Hello guys, my name is Min. Today I'm so happy to be here to introduce you about the topic Warrior Spirit, day 5. Okay, so now let's start. Welcome to the mini story of Day of the Dead. In the mini story, I will do 3 things. I will make a statement. For example, I arrived in watermelon. When you hear a statement, you just say "oh" or "ah." So that you understand, this is not a question. So when you hear statement, say "oh." For example, I arrived in watermelon. Oh. Okay. I give to ask the questions. You know this answer. For example, when I do arrive, you must say the answer to everywhere question. I arrived in watermelon. Where did I arrive? You say watermelon. That's easy. If you don't know the answer, just can't say any answer and any question. Okay, let's begin. Okay, here we go. I arrived in watermelon on the Day of the Dead, November 1st. Did I arrive in watermelon? Yes. Where did I arrive? Watermelon. I arrived in watermelon on the Day of the Dead, November 1st. Who arrived in watermelon on the Day of the Dead? It's me. I say. Did I arrive in watermelon on November 3rd? No. I arrived in watermelon on November 1st. What day did I arrive in watermelon? I arrived in watermelon on the Day of the Dead, November 1st. I arrived in watermelon November 1st. I was serious this holiday, so I went to the cemetery to see what's happening. Did you angry about holiday? No. I was serious about this holiday. Did you sad about holiday? No. I was curious about holiday. Who did you curious about this holiday? It's me these days. What did I curious about holiday? What did I curious? And I was serious about this holiday. Which holiday was I curious? The day of the death, November 1st. Did you serious about it Christmas? No, I was curious about this holiday. Where did I go? I went to cemetery. I went to the cemetery. Did I go to the cemetery? Yes, I went to the cemetery. Did I go to the airport? No, I went to the cemetery. Where did I go to cemetery? I went to cemetery. When did I go to cemetery? I go to cemetery on the day of the death, on November 1st. Why did I go to the cemetery? I go to cemetery to see what's happening. Where did the cemetery in where did the cemetery is in Guatemala? What was the day of the death? It was holiday. When was the day of the death? When was the day of the death? The day of the death on November 1st. Okay, so I went to the cemetery on the day of the death, November 1st, to see what's happening. What I found was quite interesting. What was it interesting? Yes, it was interesting. The cemetery was interesting. How did I feel about the cemetery? I felt interesting. Was it boring? No, it wasn't boring. Was it boring or was it interesting? Of course, it was interesting. What was interesting? The cemetery was